Starting off in the program, of course, we start with basic skills. You'll first start, of course, with safety and even things, shop equipment, how to use a hoist and some of the hand tools, torque wrenches, things like that. Advancing on to applying those skills into things simple as changing oil, tires, wheels, and then advancing up into electronics, engine repair, and getting into diagnosing and rebuilding automatic transmissions. So we really run the gamut of basic up into very complex ideas and skills. How instruction works here in the automotive program is it's called competency-based education. So the basic theory and operation is online. Students can either do it at home or come in and do it. Then pass a quiz just to give them an assessment on their learning. Then schedule time into the shop in order to practice those skills and then get assessed on them by the instructor.
I'm a hands-on learner. You can throw a book at me, I'm gonna look at you and I'd be like, show me. Don't read it to me, show me. And they show you and they walk you through it. If you have problems, because all vehicles are different, they'll help you. And if they don't know, they'll find a way with you and we both learn. With one-on-one, it's really awesome. You actually get to know your professors working on vehicles and such. Everyone has their different style of working on vehicles. Some people like working with a torch. Some people like working on an impact or a hammer. It's just so many different ways to work on a vehicle. And there's 2 instructors here that do it really well. They have their own style and ways and they show you, and yeah.
A student might know that automotive is for them if let's just say when they're younger, they maybe like to take things apart and put them back together. That's a good start. Having those problem-solving skills, wanting to learn how something works, usually that starts by, taking them apart and putting it back together. Any kind of mechanical skills is beneficial to come in the program, but it's not necessary. We have students that come into the program with no mechanical skills whatsoever. Then we have students that have quite a bit of experience at the same time. Students can come in and schedule their own time. They can work around jobs. They can, come in the morning, work in the evenings, or vice versa. So we offer a lot of flexibility.
So here at Nicolay College in the automotive program, we have 2 different technical diplomas available. The first is a 1-year automotive service technician, which gets you the basics of service and maintenance in order to get you employable in the automotive field. The second is a 2-year automotive technician, which is more in-depth repair and diagnostics to give you the advanced level skills to land that job or to add to your existing job. What many students do is take the first year, get that diploma, and that ladders into the second year. You can just add that second year on to get those advanced level skills. After you've graduated, there are many career opportunities. For example, automotive technician, parts personnel, automotive service advisor, a business owner. So whether it's independent or at a dealership, you could have careers there. Also, the skills that you learn here are also applicable to other career fields too that share the electronic and mechanical skills that you learn here. The automotive service technician field has a lot of demand right now. You can take it from an entry-level position up to, we have an alumni in Land O'Lakes who's been managing and running a independent repair facility for the last 5 years after graduating here. If you have any further questions or want any more information, please feel free to contact us either by scheduling a visit or just get a hold of us and we'll be happy to give you all the information you need.